Hi, are you ready to learn some new words? In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. The base word in this video is help. Here are some words related to the base word. Helped, helper, helpful, helping, helpless, helps, unhelpful. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. Please help yourself. The nurse helped her with walking. My kitchen helper is my son. I think this will be helpful. The boy is helping his father. Sometimes I feel very helpless. Her father helps her with homework every day. The taxi driver was very unhelpful. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.